Nepal. So Chitta Bhavan will be the place for mind development, for all dedications, all of us as Buddhist world to be together. And I hope this Wat Chitta Bhavan will be the center of the mind development, especially for insight meditation, as well for welcome to you all to be experience this most beautiful, most silence, and we follows the Buddha teaching from Pariyat practical, and finally to attain salvation or Nibbana, follow the within way, within path.